This morning, an accused serial killer returned to a Travis County courtroom. Raul Meza Jr. is charged with 2 murders decades after he killed an 8-year-old girl in Austin back in 1982. The victims' families say they want to make sure Meza is held accountable. Here's KVUE's Darenisha Heron.
It was a quick hearing on the long road to justice for these families of victims of accused serial killer Raul Meza Jr. Meza was escorted to the front of the courtroom, where the judge reset his hearing because the state is still reviewing evidence. Meza didn't say a word.
Nothing needs to be taken care of. You can stay at Del Valley. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
I think that's a bold-faced coward, so he couldn't even look up at us or anyone in the room. So I feel that shows, he's in here for the long haul.
Christina Fultz is the daughter of Gloria Lofton, who was killed in 2019. But police say Meza didn't confess to her murder until this year. There for support, other families who say Meza ruined their lives.
So they're here in unison to support and show support for these cases and, let this man know that he's not going to get away with this.
Authorities say Meza also confessed to killing Jesse Fraga in Pflugerville earlier this year, as well as a double murder in San Antonio that's being investigated. Meza was convicted of murdering 8-year-old Kendra Page in the 80s, but only served about 12 years in prison before being released for good behavior. Meza's defense attorney, Russ Hunt Jr., did not say if Meza was remorseful, but did say that Meza is trying to stay out of prison.
And he obviously doesn't want to be incarcerated. That's not any place anyone would want to be, and so he is trying to figure out what his best options are at this point.
Hunt says it's too early to talk plea deals, but if they do go to trial, it wouldn't happen until next year or later.
No plea deal, and definitely the death penalty. This man's been ruining generations of lives through decades, so we're going to hopefully make it stop.
Meza is due back in court January 17th, and Fultz says they will attend every one until justice is served. In Austin, I'm Darenisha Heron, KVUE News.
Darenisha, thank you. Austin police have said that Meza may be responsible for more than 10 other murders. Earlier this year, police found evidence of human remains in a field in Pflugerville. They say Meza may have buried a body there last year, but has not been charged in connection to that case.